Good morning, students. Today we will learn about the life in the Western deserts or how people lead their life in Western desert. So, a major part of the Western desert lies in Rajasthan. It is also called the Great Indian Desert. So, children, a major or a large part of the Western desert lies in which state? It lies in Rajasthan. And as we all know, it is also known as the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. So, children, this Great Indian Desert covers a big portion of Rajasthan. Now, population. Due to the harsh climate, the life of the people is not comfortable in the desert areas. Thus, the western desert region in India is very sparsely populated. Most of the people live in villages which are at great distances from each other. On the eastern side of the Aravalli Hills, the life of people is relatively more comfortable. Most of the villages in western desert are around oases where the underground water comes to the surface. This water is used for domestic and agricultural purposes. Now, children, since the climate of desert region is extreme, extreme means it is very hot in summers and very cold in winters. That is why the life of people is not comfortable in the deserts. Because of the harsh climate, people face a lot of difficulty in the deserts. And that is why, children, western desert region is very sparsely populated. Sparsely populated means very few people live in these areas. And here, people live in villages, and these villages are situated at great distances from each other. But, children, on the western side of the Aravalli Hills, life of people is quite comfortable. And in the western desert, children, the villages are built around the oasis. Where are the villages built? They are built around the oasis. Now, in the last class, we have studied about oasis. What is an oasis? Oasis is a place where the underground water comes naturally to the surface. And so, children, around these oases, villages are built. And water from the same oasis is used for domestic purposes like drinking, cooking, cleaning, etc. And for agricultural purposes also like irrigating the crops. Now, let us read about the animal rearing. The main occupation of people is animal rearing, such as sheep, goats, cattle, and camels. People move from one place to another in search of food and water for themselves as well as for the animals. Such people are called nomads or banjaras. So, children, which is the most important occupation of the desert region? It is animal rearing. The most important occupation of people of the desert region is animal rearing. The people, they raise the animals, they keep the animals such as sheep, goats, cattle, and camel for their meat, milk, and other products. So, why do they keep such animals? To get meat, milk, and other products from the animals. Now, children, some people move from one place to another in search of food and water for themselves also and for their animals also. Such type of people who move from one place to another in search of food and water are known as nomads or they are known as banjaras. So, who are banjaras? Banjaras or the nomads are those people who move from one place to another in search of food and water for themselves also and for their animals also. Now, camel is the most useful animal in the life of people living in the western desert. It can tolerate heat, live without water for many days, and can walk easily on sand. The people travel on camels across the western desert in groups which are known as caravans. So, children, camel, as we all know, is the most useful animal for the people who live in the western desert or who live in the desert areas. Now, why are camel most useful? Camels are very useful because it can control the heat of the sun. Second, it can also live without water for many days. And third, it can walk on the sand very easily. So, it is because of these three reasons, children, camel is the most useful animal in the desert region. Now, the people who travel on camels in the western desert in groups are known as caravans. So, see, children, over here. See this first image, which is given just beside the first line. That is a caravan. So, people who travel on camels in the western desert in groups. Many people are traveling on camel in group. On camels, they are only known as caravans. Now, the camel is called the ship of the desert. It is widely used for pulling carts, plowing the fields, and also as a beast of burden. Its milk and meat is used as food. The hair of the camel is used for making clothes and carpets. Its skin is used for making tents, jackets, and shoes. Now, children, camel is also called the ship of the desert. And what are the uses of camels? So, camels are used for pulling carts, plowing the fields, and for carrying the loads of people. Beast of burden means camels are often used to carry the loads of the people. So, these are the some ways in which camel is used in the desert region. Now, camel is also used for its meat and milk, and the hair of camel is used for making clothes and carpets, and the skin is used for making tents, jackets, and shoes. So, children, camel is a very useful animal in the desert region. Now, we will read about the agriculture. Some people grow crops near the oasis. The Rajasthan Canal or Indira Gandhi Canal has brought water from Satluj River. The main crops grown are wheat, maize, jowar, bajra, legume, etc. Presence of minerals has encouraged quarrying and mining. So children, agriculture is very difficult in desert areas. But in the western desert, people grow crops near the oasis. So agriculture is very difficult. But since water is available in the oasis, so people of the western desert they grow some crops near the oasis. And children, the government has also made Indira Gandhi Canal or the Rajasthan Canal that brings water from Satluj River. So, this canal, Indira Gandhi Canal or Rajasthan Canal, is used for bringing water from the Satluj River to irrigate the crops of the farmers. Now, children, some of the main crops which are grown here are wheat, maize, jowar, bajra, legumes, etc. What are legumes? Legumes are all the pulses. All kinds of pulses are also known as legumes. Now, these are some of the crops which are grown here. And lastly, children, minerals are also found here in the western desert. Minerals are also found. And that is why people also do quarrying and mining. Now, what is quarrying? Quarrying means making large holes in the ground for taking out stones, sand, and different types of minerals. So, that is the meaning of the word quarrying. And mining means taking out minerals from inside the surface of the earth. So, apart from agriculture, quarrying and mining is also done by the people of the desert region. So, children, today we have studied about the some of the topics of life of people in the western deserts. Now, the other topics like clothing, languages and festivals, tourism. We will do it in the next class. So, children, please revise the portion that we have done today, and I will see you in the next class. Thank you, children.